Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you about hip Newstrike resources. Actually, they're Newstrike brands now. Anyways, so this is the chart of a year's time with candlesticks. So now if we look back, December 29th, 2017, we see it starts coming up. We get all these big green candlesticks, and we go on a run all the way to we're at the top at about what's it, 305. Okay, so this bottom was out at low of 45 cents. Okay, so now there's it looks like that was a low back there. Let me draw this. Level line. Actually, that's wrong. Let's get it. Try that again. Okay, so it looks like it hit the low 38 cents. Okay. It hit it right here, and then it hit it right here. Okay, so to me that looks pretty bullish. Now we got I'm gonna check the relative strength index. That's one of my favorite ones to check to know if you're buying it at a good price for the swing trade or long term. So you see this time when people bought it right here and then they sold right here, they would make a good 15 to 20 cents per share, and that's by getting it below the 30 RSI. So back when it was up really high, the RSI went up to about 90. I'm not sure. It's around 90, 92, somewhere around that range. So that's pretty high on the RSI, right? So now you see right here, it's at about 35. That looks pretty bullish to me. Now you got it going on. You see this? This was the bottom right here, and then it started to come up above here. And this is a big doji, so then it was coming back, and then it bottomed, and then it started going up, and then that was the top right there. And then that was like the change. When it changes from a green to red candlestick, that's like a change in the trend, right? So then we got the change, and it went down to here, and then it bottomed out, and then it couldn't get any momentum, and then it turned to red, and then we bottomed out here. Now this is a 52-week low, so what I like as well is volumes increase. Looks like it's increasing. I mean, it really increased that the day it sold. So I'd like to see the volume get up to about 4 to 5 million, and then peak if it's to go in a Santa Claus rally, we would see it go for about like probably a month or two. Where if you see it when it went up back in December 27th when it started to run, it hit the top on January 9th. Okay, so it's possible that it's gonna start running. What I like as well when I'm looking at this chart is you see the channel, it's getting tighter and tighter, right? Now the tighter it gets, that leads to capitulation, where it has nowhere else to go but up. Like that's, I mean, obviously you can go down too, right? But it's looking really tight. So if you look before, when it started to run here, it was really tight, and then it was tight again, and then the Bollinger Band started expanding where it could come down to the low down here, well, all the way up to here. and it was even getting outside of the Bollinger Bands, which is pretty crazy, especially on such a big move. So that is when the professional traders, they're getting on their positions because they realize that's way overvalued, and it's the buying pressure was way too high. So I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what happens in the next few weeks with this company, but yeah, be interesting.